Throughout history, human beings have sought inspiration in everything that surrounds them. Our planet and nature are the most significant and inexhaustible sources of this resource. So as humanity, we have an outstanding commitment to preserve and protect it for this and future generations. The Kia Parks project, more than being a project to transform parks and adopted areas, is a community engagement program for the next 3 years that involves community activities and events that provide unique experiences, celebrate harmony with the environment, and communicate the sustainability message that Kia has as a brand vision. For this reason, and as a celebration and recognition of the great project that is Kia Parks, emotional closing events were held in Ecuador. The first in Parque de la Mujer y del Niño in Quito, and the second in the ports of Baltra and Santa Cruz in the Galápagos Islands. The Galápagos Islands, a World Heritage Site, shares the vision that Kia has as a brand and the mission of the Kia Parks program to exemplify the outstanding achievements that can be achieved by living in harmony with the environment and wildlife sustainably. This symbolic and representative place of Ecuador was selected to conduct the closing event of the first 5 regional projects. This event was attended by various personalities and representatives of the government of Ecuador and the Special Council of the Galápagos Islands, the media, businessmen, as well as members of the regional office of Kia Central and South America and Kia's senior management in Ecuador, who were witnesses of the extraordinary scope of the project and region. The entire Kia team, as well as the different representatives at the local, regional, and global levels, sincerely thank the government of Ecuador, especially the Galápagos Islands, for the support, trust, and openness provided from day one for this project, as well as the builders, coordinators, staff, and collaborators who, without their total commitment, the results would not have been the same. Thank you to all of them for your dedication and belief in this project. Let's continue uniting individuals, corporations, and organizations to live sustainably and continue to protect the most precious treasure we have, our planet.
Kia, movement that inspires.